Okay, so let's go over our answers in number 1 here at the bottom. So all of these are minor triads, right? So they give you the bottom note. Well, that tells you already the answers, but how do we build them? So let's go through these really quick. We already know C. In the key of C, E should be natural, but we want it minor, so we're gonna flat it. And then in the key of E flat, G is natural. Let's do G minor. G, B, D. In the key of G, B should be natural, but we want it to be minor, so we're gonna flat that. And in the key of B flat, D is natural. Good to go. Let's do the next one, E, G, B. In the key of E, G should be sharped, but we don't want it to be sharped. We want it to be minor. So we're gonna leave it as G natural. Then in the key of G, B should be natural. It's good to go. The next one, D, F, and A. In the key of D, F should be sharped, but we want it to be a half step lower. So we're gonna leave that as F natural. And then in the key of F, A should be natural. Good to go. We just leave it. Here we go in the key of A, C, and E. In the key of A, C should be sharped, but we want it to be minor. So we're gonna leave that C natural. And then in the key of C, E should be natural. Good to go, because we need it to be major, right? Don't forget all of these are minor on the bottom, major on the top. Then B, now this one's gonna be a little trickier. Okay, so in the key of B, this one I'm gonna write up. Key of B, D should be sharped, but we want it to be a half step lower. So I'm gonna not sharp it, and that makes it minor. But in the key of D, F should be sharped. So I need to sharp this F to make this triad major. And then let's do our last one, F, A, C. In the key of F, A is natural, but I need to make it flatted to make this a minor triad. And then in the key of A flat, C is natural, which makes that major. Then, looking down here at the bottom, I'm just gonna go through these. So if you're in the key of F, F is your 1 chord. So you have to count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It starts on 5. Your next one starting on G, if you're in the key of F, F is 1, G would be 2, but it's gonna be a baby 2. Next one, baby 6, big 1, big 4, baby 3. Then you're in the key of G. It's gonna start on a baby 2, right? Because if you're in the key of G, your G is 1, big 1. So this is a little 2, little 6, big 1, big 5, little 3, big 4.